What does it mean to be the exception? At the Buddy Group, we're always ready to answer that question. Being the exception means you're a story-driven brand. A business that places its audience at the heart of authentic and relatable stories. It means you strategically reach your customers through optimal channels because you understand their challenges and motivations. It means you invest in your story at the highest level by producing engaging IR events. You communicate your successes and future vision to the investment community to ensure that your story evolves and grows with your audience. It means you continuously innovate, helping your customers satisfy their needs and enhance their lives. And we know this because we've buddied up with countless exceptional brands and created truly amazing work to tell those stories. The Buddy Group. Be the exception.